morning. So it is another weekend vlog. I have a couple of things on my docket for this weekend, starting off with this Friday. So usually I don't work on Fridays, but since I'm on call, apparently you can't have off days when you're on call. I don't see why. I mean, if you need me, call me. I don't make the rules. I just try and break them every once in a while. So first, the thing I want to do today is probably straighten up from my previous weekend of having guests and like being all over the place. I just feel like things are not in its proper place, and it's just making me feel a little bit unorganized. Like it's not really junky, it's just unorganized. And I'm trying to live an organized life. And I haven't decided if I'm going to go to the grocery store yet. I probably should go since Saturday is kind of booked up with some things, so I could really go and get like some veggies, some water, since I'm trying to do this whole gallon a day thing. I think it's better if I just buy an entire gallon so that I could watch the water go down. And, you know, some other little knickknacks. So I'll be doing that today, also while working, also while cleaning. I just have a full day today. I'm done for the day. I'm just done. If you would have asked me years ago if sitting at a computer, typing, sending emails, talking to people, having meetings, all of that would be exhausting, I probably would have laughed in your face. But that stuff pulls it out you. Like, it's just, it can be a lot. I mean, my eyes are tired. They're going to make you get that eye insurance. Whatever. I think that before I finish up any more tidying around the house, I'm going to go to the grocery store and get a few things, because I think that right now the grocery store would be as less crowded than if I wait till later. So I'm going to go tackle that and then come back and finish with the house. All right, so just to show you guys some of the things I purchased from the grocery store. So first is this rotisserie chicken. I'm definitely going to have some of this tonight because I don't feel like cooking anything else. I picked up some mandarins, some blueberries, strawberries, and grapes, part of like my desserts. I picked up a spaghetti squash. I want to get back into cooking those. Some zucchini. Then I picked up some romaine lettuce to go with these little salad kits that I've been loving lately. This one is my new favorite. The guest that I had like a week ago, she picked this one up and I absolutely loved it. Then I picked up this other Southwest chopped salad kit to see how this one tastes. And then this is like a staple. Like, I always pick up some type of stir-fried veggie thing for those days where I don't feel like chopping my own veggies, because I feel like chopping is the worst part of cooking. Well, and the washing dishes. But this is so easy. Just toss it in the pan. Of course, I'm going to take out the carrots because I don't like carrots, but saute it real easy. Then I got some sweet potatoes as my carbs, some bell peppers, and then some eggs. So that's about it. This is like basically what I get when I go to the grocery store when I don't need like any meats. Just basically stocking up on veggies and fruits. Good morning. It is an early start for me on a Saturday. And the reason for that is because I do have a hair appointment this morning, but I wanted to get like a sweat session out. Like, I just need to move my body, clear my mind. You know, it's been a rough week. So that morning time of me just sweating it out and meditating, doing some affirmations, it really just sets me up in a better mind space. So I'm going to do all of that and then go to my hair appointment. And then later tonight, I do have a little date night with my new boo, not a real boo. No, so don't get too excited. But it is with a lovely lady that I recently met, and we just kind of hit it off. So she just gained the title. But I have that later on tonight. And then in between, I'll probably just finish straightening up here, running some errands maybe. I'm not really sure, but we shall see. But first, we must sweat. Okay, you guys, like, just forgive the whole dash windshield dirtiness. Like, it's just a long story. But I am stuck in my car in my parking garage with this car blocking me in. Nobody's in it, so I'm just sitting here. And although it looks like I could fit through here, I really can't because I have a car that's on this side. I have a pole that's over here. Like, it's either gonna end up in me hitting this car, the car that's to the left, my own car against the pole and or the wall. Like, you really, sir, could not pull up any more? Like, there's just alleyway, and you're telling me you couldn't pull up more to not block me in? So I have no idea where these people are. I don't know what they're doing. Like, you just chilling, like your car is on. I could just hop in that heifer and scoot it up a little bit, but then I might go to jail.
So you're gonna be part of like helping out stuff? Well, good, 'cause I got questions I can ask.
All right, hair appointment is done. I got a couple of curls, which are probably about to drop in like an hour, but I'm back home about to stuff my face. Then I'm going to relax, chill, and just kind of slowly take my time to have this lovely night out with the girls. Oh, it's just one girl. It's me and one girl, but you know what I mean. Just get ready for that. I actually love getting dressed up. So I love the process of like putting on the clothes, putting on the makeup, and finishing up the hair, and then like walking out in some heels, you know, feeling all confident. So I just love getting ready for all of that. So I'm going to take my time, do that, and then just have a good time. All right, so I'm getting ready for tonight. Got my little pin curl in for my front. But I did not really like take off my makeup and then reapply. That's just too much. So all I did was kind of freshen up my face, but I'm going to show you guys what I do to make like a day look turn into a night look. It's really just still kind of a basic neutral look for me. And some of this I do during the day, but there's like one little thing that I do at nighttime to kind of really give it a little something extra. So right now I'm just taking like a highlight, and this is like from MAC, very old Gold Deposit. And I'm taking it, I'm kind of just gonna lay the foundation for my inner eye. So I kind of just dab dry powder into my inner eye. I'll show you guys here. It's gonna be a little odd. Hopefully I don't stick myself in the eye. But I go in the inner corner, and I go a little bit above onto my lid, and then a little bit below onto my lid, okay? I just do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm going to do the same thing on my Cupid's bow for my lip. Very dry powder. It kind of just brings more emphasis to your lips. Go from a 5 to a 10, you know, in like a couple of seconds. I'm going to wet the brush. Just like a little bit, even though it sounds like I turned my water on very loud. So the good thing about this Gold Deposit from MAC is that it is fantastic when it's wet, right? So wet brush, dab it back into the Gold Deposit, and then go right into the corner of my eye, and see how it just turned it up just a little bit. I mean, the camera probably doesn't show the full like glow of this, but I'm telling you guys, look at that. Look at that compared to just regular. It's a big difference. So I just kind of bring that along the lines as I did for the powder part. The powder is just like laying the foundation, you know? It really just helps open up your eye, especially because I feel like I have small eyes or smaller eyes. It just really opens your eyes up even more. Can you tell? Same thing for the Cupid's bow, except for I really just focus right in the middle. So I don't kind of bring it out like I did with the dry powder. It is just right in that middle is where I want you to focus. Once I put my lip on, like my whatever lip color I do, or this lip gloss or lip color, my throat is so dry, so parched. Whatever lip product I put on, it's gonna take some of the shine away. I'm gonna really be mad because we gotta put on a mask. It's okay. We're gonna do this anyway. So it's gonna take a little bit of the impact away, but it still keeps it there, like very subtle. That is my kind of a day to night turn up. This is so weird because I can't do anything with my eyebrows and they just look very odd to me. Even though other people, when they see it, they're like, oh, yeah, I can totally tell. Like, I see it. But to me, of course, it's like naked. And so then I'm going to just re-outline my eyes. I'm gonna tight line those buddies. And then that's it. That's how I basically turn day to night. Now I gotta choose my lip. Ultimate definition of Netflix and chill. Like, I don't plan on leaving this spot until I'm hungry or until my podcast call later this evening. But other than that, this is it. I'm going to find a movie and chill. But let me tell you guys about last night. I know I didn't do a lot of video from last night. Like, it was basically the first time that me and this young lady have connected since meeting. And I think we were just like catching up, but at the same time getting to know each other and just having fun. So I was really just in the moment. The place that we went to is called Moxie's. It had a lot of people in there, but apparently pre-COVID, it's even more packed. Where I'm just like, I probably won't come when it's open to 100% capacity, because there were a lot of people in there. So, but I had a good time. The food was good. The atmosphere was fantastic. Like, it was just probably part of the reason why I wanted to move out of New Orleans. Like, don't get me wrong, I love New Orleans and I will always be a ride or die for New Orleans. But I just feel like it just needs more. Missing that je ne sais quoi. I don't know where that came from. So I was really just in the moment, having a good time with her, having a couple of drinks, and now I just feel like it's just bum time. Basically gonna get ready for the week, the work week. I have a load of laundry here waiting to fold. I hate folding laundry. I hate it. Hate it more than putting up laundry. So folding laundry is number one, putting it up is number two. I love putting it in the washer and then moving it into the dryer. And if that's all it took, I would love doing laundry. Maybe I can get a man that will do the rest. Like, if I do the beginning half and he can do the later half, we'll be all good. So I have that. Other than that, like I said, it's just going to be a chill day. I do have a call for my podcast training that I have, which will be released in, like, I'm not going to say exactly 2 weeks, because apparently it may take some days or time to get approved by the platforms in which you release them on. So, but my training will be done in 2 weeks. So that will be exciting. So I just had that to take care of this evening. I am still on call, but luckily, thank God, there's been no calls, like in the middle of the night. There was like one call, and bless his heart, he was in a panic, and I settled it in like 5 minutes. So that's it, you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this kind of weekend of vlog. I feel like this is my first time really having a vlog over the weekend with just me. But if you guys still want to see more of these things, like see how I explore Dallas even during these COVID times and how I'm just living my best life, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and